What is up, realist? Welcome to another episode here on the Real Fishing. Today we're just going to brave this heat. No waders because those are too hot, and we're just going to be using an ultralight and whatever I've got in my bag. We're going to see what we can get on, see if we can get any bluegill, panfish, smallmouth, maybe, don't know. We're going to go out here, we're going to check it out, we're going to see. Right here with Seth Johnson Outdoors, slamming the creek, hammering some fish. Let's go see if we can get any, and see you soon. What do we get? First cast here in this spot. Looks like we got a nice size shiner on the cricket. Little bitty guy. Still, first cast. Time to downsize. All right, got something little. What do we get? Another long ear sunfish, looks like. Alrighty. We got 3 from this spot, so let's go ahead and move up. See if we can't find 3 more from somewhere else. Get up in there in them roots. No, not really. There we go. Got something out from under the roots. What do we get?
Look at the size of this green sunfish. Look at these.
Little teeny tiny green sunfish there. Look at there, little fella. Leave him with, left him with some crickets. All right. What we get? Little teeny tiny guy. All right, we're gonna switch over to Hellgrammite. Seth is getting too many cool fish, and I'm getting all these tiny ones. Little green sunfish, looks like.
This is pretty shaded. So they're so big, they're making.
Got him.
Yes.
Oh,
my goodness.
Let it go. I saw him come up and eat it. I think it was a little rock bass, though.
Oh, man.
Let's go around this tree. I hook him. I get him. Got something. Come here, little feller. Come here, little feller. They're all chasing it. What do we get? What do we get? All right, a nice little chunky green sunfish. Downsized a little bit to a smaller crawfish for some of you smaller guys. So hopefully it'll work for some of the bigger ones as well. But got some nice chubby green sunfish there. Oh, sweet. There we go. Got something else on it finally. Had to turn around backwards. What do we get? Another little green sunfish.
We got to go as far as you can see. We're about as far as you can see. There's a pool on the left. You can hit that dry rock and fly up.
There we go. Got a little guy over there. Let's hope at least catch one on this thing. What do we get over there under the tree? Another green sunfish. Actually, it might have been a green sunfish I saw on that dude's thing. But it had long ears. Ah! Silly fish. Oh, dummy. Why do they spin so much when you mess them up like that? They see us coming, man. Oh, did I get a tiny one? Ha ha ha. I got a teeny tiny smallmouth. Let me see, am I recording? I am! Alrighty. Little bitty smallmouth. Watch them slurp it up. That's 2 on this guy. Come on now. Oh, he has no bottom. They ate his bottom off. Little bitty smally. Teeny tiny guy, not even the length of my hand. Come on, Bubba. Alright. Switched up to a little keitech. I'll probably have to change up the jig, but we're going to try to stay small for now and see if we can't get anybody to slurp it up. There we go. Got one. Whoa!
Yes!
switched over to the keitech there. He's trying to jump and get rid of it. Stay away from that. Come here, little smallie. Come here, little smallie. Alrighty. 4-pound test. Simmer down.
Josh has a smallmouth on.
Whoa, whoa. Please don't break my line. Spin around.
He's got a smallie.
Oof. Alrighty.
The spot is loaded.
Check this guy out. A little bit bigger than that first one, just by a bit. Not too much though. Got him on the keitech. Alrighty. See if we can't get another one. Oh, there's a nice one in there.
Yeah, look at that. Yep. Oh, you have two coming at it right now.
Got him. Got him. Watch him take it. Woohoo! Come here, buddy. Oh, there's some strong little guys. Oh, they ain't big, but oh goodness, they fighting good. Maybe that was a good idea, keeping it on this little trout magnet. I just didn't want to go through the process of trying to reload it back up. Another nice little guy there. Very cool. All right, guys, when you're hot in a creek, one of the best ways to cool off is to just lay in it. Got a nice little pillow, nice shades. Got a bug on my nose. Oh. Do I have something or what? Oh yeah, I got something teeny tiny. Well, I just thought it was going on. Little bitty guy. I don't know if I had somebody or what. Shows teeny tiny smallmouth off. A little bitty one there. Hey, but it's a smallie. Yep. Ain't this the keitech about as big as he is? Ain't that adorable? Oh, oh, there we go. Hooked into something.
There we go.
What do we get? Little bitty guy. Looks like an actual different kind of bass. This thing we caught. Yeah. What you? Are you a little largy? Wow, he's barely hooked through just a little skin flap. See, got him free. Can't tell if he's no. Yeah, a little largy in here in the creek on a little minnow looking thing. What do you know? There we go, got something. What do we get? Well, little bass of some sort. Nope, green sunfish looks like. Let's see what we got. Yeah, good sized green sunfish.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Right off the back of this tree here. Nice little fella. Looks good. There we go. First cast in. Got something. What do we get? Switched up the jig head to a little bit bigger jig head, so maybe I can get some better hits. What in the world? It's the most aggressive bluegill that ever existed. This guy was hungry for some minnow. There we go. Whoa! He's pulling some drag. Ah, a little smallie. Got him. Come here, little buddy. Captain Acrobat here. Stay down. There we go. Whew. All right, where you at? Did you eat my keitech? You slung my keitech. I don't have many more of those left. There we go. Got a nice one there. Doubling up here. Double, double. Double, double.
Over here with Josh.
I got a dink it, dink it. Got a, looks like a largie.
I got a large male.
Largie and a smallie. Boop.
About the same size. His is bigger. And Josh got me, folks.
Sweet.
Let me put mine in here with Josh. Smallmouth.
There, what? Oh. Got something. Another teeny tiny green sunfish on the keitech as big as he is. Just ended up throwing this little pool and ended up catching a little fish. I didn't expect I was trying to get a bigger fish, but this little guy got onto it. Looks like this might be a hybrid. Maybe it's green sunfish, but there's a really pretty like redness to the back there. I'm gonna throw back in this pool and see if I can't pull any one of these, pull any of these little smallmouth out. Got him, got him. Stay on to him though. Oh, he got loose. Oh, and he took the rest of my keitech. Oh, that's all the keitechs I had. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. It's a pretty awesome day so far. We're done. It's over, finished. It's hot. Got a chance to lay down in the water, cool off a little bit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I did. So, but yep, check out Seth Johnson Outdoors. It's an awesome guide, awesome fisherman. I'm blessed to have him to show me where some fish are. So hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. And hopefully you guys can get on the reel real soon and catch some fish like Seth. Yeah, I'm just catching fish, man. I'm happy to be doing that. Silly fish.